Can you solve this question? Now look at this question on the board. We're going to have 7 raised to the power of s plus 3s equals to 5. We are expected to find x, okay? Now our first step, what we're going to do is to subtract this from both sides. Subtract 3s from both sides. So if we do that, look at what we're going to have. Look at that. This is 7 to the power of x is equals to what? 5 minus what? 3x, right? Now our second step, what we're going to do is to divide both sides by 7 to the power of x. So if we divide here by 7 to the power of x and divide the whole of this by 7 to the power of x. Now 7 to the power of x divided by 7 to the power of x, we have 1 equals to. Now, by obeying the properties of indices, we can write this as into 5 minus what? 3x, then multiply by 7 to the power of what? Minus x. By obeying the properties of indices, we can also write this in this form, okay? Now, look at the amazing thing we are going to do here. Now, we are having 5 minus 3x. And we want this x here to be unity. So what you have to do is to write this as 1 is equals to into, combine this as 1 over, let me say, 1 over 3, right? 1 over 3. Let me say 3 into 5 divided by 3. Because 3 times 5 divided by 3 will give us 5. Then minus x, right? Multiply by 7 to the power of minus what? X. Wow. So if we divide here by 3 and divide here by 3, this 3 will cancel out this. We see that 1 divided by 3 is equals to into 5 divided by 3 minus x, then multiply by 7 to the power of minus what? X. Wow, this is pocket genius, right? Now, at this point, look at what you're going to do. Now, we have minus x here, and we have 5 over 3 here. So, we want this to become the exponent here. So, what we have to do is to multiply both sides by 7 to the power of 5 over 3. So, if you multiply here by what? 1 over 3, multiply by 7 to the power of what? 5 over 3 equals to what? Into 5 divided by 3 minus s multiplied by 7 to the power of minus s multiplied by what? 7 to the power of what? 5 over what? 3. Now, this time this will give us 7 to the power of 5 over 3 or over what? 3, then equals to what? Into 5 divided by 3 minus x, then multiply by what? Since the bases are the same, we can take a single to half, multiply by 7 to the power of 5 over 3 minus what? X. Now you can observe that this and this are the same, right? They are the same. Now since they are the same, we can do something very interesting. Let's obey one of the properties of indices. We know that logarithm, so you know that e raised to the power of a is equals to what? A. So we can write this as 7 to the power of 5 divided by 3 or over what? 3 is equals to what? Is equals to into 5 divided by 3 minus x, then multiply by what? I can write this as e raised to the power of what? E raised to the power of what? Laying 7 to the power of what? To the power of 5 over 3. Okay, 5 over 3 minus what? X, right? Oh, this is amazing. Then all this is power, so we can multiply this. So that this is 7 to the power of 5 divided by 3 is equals to what? Into 5 minus 5 divided by 3 minus x, then multiply by into 5 divided by 3 minus x, then multiply by link what? Link 7. Wow, this is pocket genius, right? All right. Now, there's where we are taking this question to, which is very interesting, okay? Now, what we are going to do here, we know that the Lambda deriving function of into a multiplied by e to a is always equals to what? A. And our target, what we are going to do here we have 3 divided by 5 over 3 minus x link 3 link 7. And let's assume that if all this is a, and what is here is not the same as what is here. So what we are going to do so we can achieve that is to multiply both sides by link 7. So if we multiply here by link 7, we have that 7 to the power of 5 divided by 3 multiplied by link what? Link 7 is equals to into 5 divided by 3 minus x multiplied by 1 link what? Link 7. Then multiply by e to the power of what? Into 5 divided by 3 minus x multiplied by 1 link what? Link 7. Wow, this is amazing, right? At this point, we want to take the Lambda W function of both sides. That means the Lambda W function of into 7 to the power of 5 divided by 3, then link what? Link 7 is equals to the Lambda W function of what? Into, let me use bracket, then into 5 divided by 3 minus s, then link 7, then multiply by e to the power of what? Into 5 divided by 3 minus s, then link what? Link 7. Wow. So from here, I know that the Lambda W function of into 7 to the power of what? 5 over 3 divided by 3 link what? Link 7 is equals to, all this will just give us what? 5 divided by 3, 5 divided by 3 minus s link what? Link 7, by obeying these properties. So what you're going to do is to move this, is to do what? To divide both sides, right? Let me see. Okay, this is in parentheses. Okay, it's in parentheses. So what we're going to do is to divide here by what? Divide here by link 7. So divide here by what? Link 7.